Welcome to this short video on how to use the file system on a Phillips E-Line display. So first thing you want to do is make sure that you are on the home page. So currently we are, but if we weren't, you can click on this little arrow on the side, bring out our menu, and then you want to just click on home and it will bring us back. So no matter what input you're on, no matter what app you have open, if you click that home button, you will return here. Once you've done that, you can click just once on the apps button, and this will bring up all our apps that we have installed on the device. What we're looking for is File Manager. Okay, so this is what we're going to click on. Again, we're just going to click once to bring that up. Now with the File Manager, we're going to start on our left-hand side. What you can see there is just our local drive. So that's just what's the storage that is on the display. So anything that's pre-installed on the display is going to appear under that local drive there. If we had a USB or an SD card plugged in, you would notice them starting to line up below there. If we're going along, what we're going to look at here, you can see sort of sort here. Again, it's going to be pretty standard options that you'll see on most devices. So you're going to have the ability to sort by name, size, or time that it's been put on there. Okay, so if it's newer or older than others, it will be able to sort by that. We can make that just vanish for a second there. We're currently in grid. That's how we're looking at this file system right now. If we wanted to change that, we do have the option to put it as a list, which is just on the side here. If we put it as a list, we do have a little bit more information about just where that directory is. So it may be beneficial for you depending on the situation, but grid will generally get you through most situations. So if we click on grid here and we bring it back, this just brings us back to our grid. Now, the next one along is multi-select, which I'm just going to skip temporarily. We can come back to that one in a second. Following that though is new. So new is going to just create a new folder. So if we click on that, we get the option just to type in our name of our folder and just place a new folder on there. Click OK, and it will just create that folder. Now, if I were to select any of these folders here and I just click on that, you'll see a few new options appear on the side there. So the next one along after new is rename, which should be hopefully pretty self-explanatory. If you want to rename any of your folders, you can click on that button, you get a little pop-up and you'll have the ability to change that. Now, if we keep going along, we've got copy, cut, and delete, and they're going to do exactly as they say there and exactly as you've experienced on any other device. So if we just want to copy the whole file or folder across, we can click copy, and that will make a clear cut copy. All right, so it will stay in its original space, and it'll be put in a new spot as well. If we want to move that file, okay, so we don't want it where it is anymore, and we just want to take it somewhere else, that's when we use cut. And then if we just want to scrap that completely, we've got the delete option there. Now, all these options here are available other than rename if we select multi-select. So if I click on multi-select right now, that gives me the ability to just click through a variety of folders. Now, if I've got a variety of folders clicked here, I do still have that copy, cut, and delete option, so I can move or copy it wherever I need to. So if I wanted to get files onto a USB, okay, I can use that feature there. This isn't just for folders, it works exactly the same way with files. So if you've got a whole bunch of files that you've created and you do want to get it across, you can multi-select and then copy them all across. Now, one last thing with that, you've got a couple extra options as well. You've got exit multi-select, which is just going to scrap it, and you've got all select. So if you click on all select, it just highlights everything within that directory there. So we can just exit and we're going to make that one disappear. Now we're currently looking at all files. We can filter via files, images, or media as well, which is not going to have directories. It will just sort of show everything related to that particular file type. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful.